The following message was transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Federal Emergency Management. At 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, reports came in about people getting infected by an unknown virus. The CDC will look into the virus and figure out what is this virus. Anyone who got infected by this virus, call 911, and stay tuned for more updates. And repeating, a contagious diseases warning has been issued for San Antonio, Texas, until further notice.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. At around 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, the CDC discovered the symptoms of this virus. The virus has now been given a name. The name of this virus is E25 virus. Here are the E25 virus symptoms. These include coughing, headache, stomachache, coughing out blood, vomiting blood, psychosis, violent behavior, homicidal behavior, psychic abilities, bleeding from the nose, eyes changing color to black, yellow, or red, delusions, fits of rage, demonic voice, and a coma. This virus is airborne and it can spread to others really fast, with more than 100 infected being reported in downtown San Antonio. As of this, the entire city of San Antonio may go into quarantine, and those who are caught during quarantine will be shot on sight in order to slow down the virus. If you believe that your loved ones or yourself got infected by E25 virus, call the hospital. Remember, this virus is airborne and it can travel really fast, and all residents in San Antonio are strongly advised to stay indoors. Stay tuned to this station. We interrupt with normal program. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems will be held for emergency use. This is KMBZ, and will continue to serve Kansas City metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, tune to other stations to provide news and more updates. At around 1:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the people who died from being infected by E25 virus has been waking up, looking like demons. These demons are too powerful that they are resistant to every weapon. Massive damage was being already reported across numerous cities in the United States as well as Alaska and Hawaii. Anybody in the United States is being advised to seek an underground shelter now. All military and the police tried to stop these demons, but attempts failed horribly as it is considered lethal. Do not leave your shelters until the all clear was given. The virus has also spread into other countries such as Canada, Mexico, and Cuba. This is a really life-threatening situation and should not be ignored. Stay in your shelters. We interrupt with the normal program. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. A virus, now known as E25 virus, has spread across the world. All countries is being reporting a demon attack and as well as extreme damage. NASA has shed some disturbing news, is that E25 virus is not a virus type. It was created by an ancient demonic spirit. More than 1 million deaths have been already reported. E25 virus, and along with demons, is continuing to exterminate humanity, and it is expected that the rest of humanity will be exterminated. Guys, this is the end. We will see each other in the afterlife.